Bruno Mars, I Just Might. Great new tune, easy steps. I mean, there's many variations. This is a very basic beginner. Here we go. Have fun. Start again. 1, 2, and twist. And twist. Take it up, bring it back, and step, step. 1, 2, 3. Repeat it, and twist. And twist, take it up, back, step, step, and lock it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Jazz box. Start again. 1, 2, and twist. 5, 7, and 8. 1, 2. Together. Step together. 5, 7, and 8. Now lock. Lock. Take it out, and 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, jazz box, 7 and 8. Start again, and twist. Take it up, bring it out, and step, step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and twist, take it up, back,